for Fletch. Back here again on the video, man. Today's video, I'm about to be installing it real quick. This PLM rear motor mount. 2019 Honda, sorry. Over here signing in. This is the part right here from PLM. It's just a rear mount that goes underneath to the subframe. So we're gonna put that in. And I have a stock one right here. I put that in I did one already on my friend's Accord, so it should be nice on mine's. Being that mine's is manual. As soon as you have the car in the air, it's gonna be real simple. It's just a 14 here, a 14 there, and then a 14 going through the subframe. I just cut out this hole so I don't have to take this down, just to get the bolt to clear. You can take it down if you want, but mine's is all beat up from being static. It's broken already, so I cut it. I don't care. I plan to replace this soon now that I'm on bags. Like you see, it's all messed up, broken. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get a pole jack and support the. I'll probably put the block right here and support that, then take this out. If you do this on the floor, you can just jack up a jack with like a piece of wood on the oil pan and just to support it before you take the motor mount out. So let's get into it. Just like that, guys, it's in. Quickest install you'll ever see. Just make sure these 14s are nice and tight. I'm gonna check those by hand now, and I'll do my oil change and then drop this on the test drive. I already started the car up and drove it, but I'm not. Just left work. I'm not feeling good, so let me show you guys how much this vibrates. It's subtle right now at idle, surprisingly. But that noise, the reason I changed that mount is because I didn't see any signs of it being broken when I took it out. But lately, like for the past week, the car has been like clunking when I started. And like I had my boy start it for me while I looked at the motor. Bro, the whole motor was like it did the whole diddy bop, bro, like. So I'm like, nah. I was like, let's just do the bottom mount. The bottom mount is like more like substantial to change than versus that upper torque mount, because if you really think about it, there's a mount below that torque mount. The one that I changed on the bottom is a complete mount to the engine. So I'm like, this would probably be better. And I drove it around the parking lot. It felt sturdy. I'm about to take you guys for a little brief drive going home. I gotta get home quick, bro. I think I'm about to shit myself. Let me air up. He is like literally vibrating the whole car right now. I don't know if you guys can hear it or tell, but I don't know, like, you don't really hear it. Let me air up real quick, man. Get back to you guys. Yeah, I gotta get home. God, bro. I'm about to get on the highway right now. go through some gears and then end this shit. Oh my god, the light. Just turn red. Nice. There's heat busting. It feels nice. I could get jiggy with this. This is definitely not bad for a daily. If you're a car guy or a girl, it's definitely not bad. I'm at 70 right now. 5th gear. Need to get over. I don't like this lane. These lanes have there we go, bumps. Hurry up, bro, so I can get over there. Nah, this heat's slapping. I'm cool. Okay. It feels good. It actually feels good. I can get jiggy with this, man. Yep. Oh, yeah. This is a quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Wasn't nothing special. Comment, like, and subscribe, man. Damn, it's lighting. Comment, like, and subscribe, man, and stay tuned for the next video, man. I'm out of here. Might will rest up. Shit.
It's cheap. I don't jack.